What's up, guys? Software Flow here. I want to share with you a really cool thing that has come out with some of the RTX graphics card and it's finally getting implemented, and it's called RTX Voice. And what it does is something that especially since I got my new setup and keyboard. The keyboard is actually, you know how loud it is, or if you have background noise and all that, it absolutely will get rid of it completely. It's unbelievable. So I want to share with you how it works, how we install it, and the effectiveness of it. So anyway, what it is if you have RTX graphics cards, it is something you can get. I'm going to give you the download link. And what it does is, like I said, it'll get rid of your background noises. Now, about it, these are the supported apps. All these apps here are supported. The setup guide, I'm going to have a link to this video and how to download the download from the site and download the actual app itself and how to run it. So it's a really cool thing. You need Windows 10, all right, and you have to have driver 410.18 or newer, which is an older driver, so that should not be an issue. So it's going to get rid of all your background noises, and it works with Discord. It works with OBS Studio, works with a bunch of things, XSplit, Google Chrome, Twitch Audio. So with that said, how cool is this, right? I mean, I'm going to start using it and checking it out as well. But I wanted to show you here. You're going to download it. You're going to install it. Once it installs, which takes a couple seconds, you are going to get a screen that looks like this. It's going to be on default. So you're going to pick the mic that you're using, and you're going to check the remove background noise, and you could max it out, and that's where you should start from until you get a point where you're very happy with it. So I'm going to start to show you right here how cool this is, all right? I'm going to lower it all the way down. I'm clapping now, right? You can hear me? I'm clapping, I'm clapping, I'm clapping, right? I'm going to stop clapping. I'm going to put it halfway. And starting to clap again. Fully clapping, guys, like somebody did a really good performance in front of me clapping. All right, you hear that? I'm going to go to full. Clapping full, same amount, same pressure level, and now you probably can't hear a damn thing. And that's what the effectiveness of it is. So I'm going to put a download link for you guys. Another important thing you have to do, if you're using Shadowplay to record, this is very important, guys. You have to go to your microphone, and if you see how this is the new microphone I had gotten, the Samsung QTU, you got to switch that to microphone NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now, you have to do this for all the different applications. If you're going to use OBS, if you're going to use Discord, you have to change it to the NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now, a couple things to know is if you don't like this thing, it does give a tiny bit of little weirdness to the audio, and I mean very slight, kind of like a compression sound. But if you don't like it, you can switch it back, and you could just, whatever you want to do. But you have to enable this in all your settings for all your different apps to have the effectiveness of this. So you're going to save it. And once you're saved, that's it. You're good to go. It's simple as that. Download, install, and that's it. Now, for the output, I really wouldn't mess with it. You could turn it on if you want. It says it really recommends you not having it on. If you have an issue with that, you could turn it on. I wouldn't do it. This is the most important feature of it. All right, guys? So that's the NVIDIA RTX Voice. It's a new thing they're rolling out. They'll keep upgrading, and I'm hearing even with some older cards down the road, they might implement it. I'm not sure. But right now, you need Windows 10. You need an RTX graphics card.